Bonjour. I miss my cooking school in Uzès in the south of France so much that I decided to set up a supper club in my central Auckland apartment. The great thing about food is that it's a really cheap way to make yourself happy. It's a great way to show respect to friends and family, colleagues. Hard to imagine any kind of transaction happening without it being smoothed by food. So what happens is, the structure of the supper club is that people arrive and they have a welcome drink or a coffee, and then they sit down and I do a 2-hour demonstration in my kitchen. And then if we have time, I'll do a little reading from one of my books. And then we sit down and have a 3-course meal. And we, with lots of wine, matched wines, needless to say, and we talk and we laugh and we exchange ideas and we network. And we basically thank God we're alive. The people who refuse to go home are on dishes. And the wonderful thing about the happiness that food brings is that it's fleeting, so necessitates repetition, n'est-ce pas?